welcome back to FORnSEC Solution. In today's video, we are going to explore HASHCAT, a hash or password cracking tool. HASHCAT is a popular password cracker and designed to break even the most complex password representation. To do this, it enables the cracking of specific password in multiple ways combined with versatility and speed. It supports over 300 hashes algorithms such as MD4, MD5, SHA-1, SHA-512, Decrypt, NTML, MySQL, and Whirlpool, many others. It's available for all type of operating system, including Windows, Linux, Unix, and BSD. Let's install HASHCAT using apt sudo apt get install HASHCAT. Sudo apt get install HASHCAT. Here our package successfully installed. Let's run tool and crack the hashes. We will take an example of MD5 hash. Here I have one MD5 hash value. Firstly, we will check the hash type and attack modes present in tool, as we need to mention hash type and attack modes while running the command to crack the hash. So here for MD5 we have hash type value as 0 and attack mode for straight cracking is also 0, and then we have to assign the word list. I am using rocku.txt which have some common used password. Hashcat hyphen m0 hyphen a0, then paste the hash value, and our rocku.txt is in home. And hit enter. As you see, our hash is successfully cracked and our password is monkey. Let's take another example. Firstly, we convert our word into MD5 hash. Type echo hyphen n and replace the word. I will take use sunshine, and here the sunshine word convert into MD5 hash. This is the MD5 hash value of sunshine, and let's run tool hashcat and replace the hash value with our hash value and hit enter. As you see, our hash value successfully converted into our password sunshine. You can use different hash type and modes to crack different passwords. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you found this tutorial on HashCat helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more hacking tutorials. Stay safe, stay secure.